here with Joe Byron, and Joe's going to talk to me about Axeda Ready. And Joe, there's a hell of a lot of hardware equipment we're talking about here this time. What's going on?
Hell of a lot, Carl. Well, in past years at Connection, you've seen lots of hardware partners. We've always really embraced our ecosystem, hardware, SIs, and solution providers. We made a specific push over the last year to go deep on a program that we've been talking about for a while. It's called Axeda Ready. What Axeda Ready is about is certified integrations with our hardware partners' products. Just like Microsoft certified drivers for a printer that you'd buy at Best Buy or Walmart, we want the same thing for hardware that's a perfect fit for the given job from a hardware vendor. We want to be able to say that you turn on that device and point it to Axeda and it just works. Fully integrated, certified, QA'd, given the seal of approval by a dedicated Axeda Ready engineering team. And I'm proud to be running that team, having a lot of great fun, speaking with partners, working with their hardware. I believe that at this point, our Axeda Ready engineering team has touched more M2M devices than any other organization on the planet. Really exciting stuff.
Cool. And just out of curiosity, how does that show up? Is that like an element management functionality with the connection into the Axeda platform? I mean, do I actually go through the whole Microsoft experience where I've got an auto discovery of finding the driver? What's the experience for the end user?
Well, the experience for the end user starts with our Axeda Ready website. So if you're looking to deploy an M2M solution and thinking about what hardware options you'd have, you can start with ready.axeda.com. It has a list of our hardware partners and the devices that they provide and the ones that are specifically Axeda Ready certified. And they're organized by vertical and type of solution. So if you're looking for a tracking device to do usage-based insurance, we get a bunch of those. If you're looking for a gateway to do medical device monitoring, we get a bunch of those. The way that these integrations take shape is a couple of different ways. Our Axeda Ready agent technology could be ported to the partner's device, fully QA'd and certified, and now that's a known quantity. We know the features and functionality of that agent, and it's just been retrofitted or perfectly fitted to work right on that hardware out of the box. The other option is what we call a codec, or our Axeda Ready Anywhere device adapter. So for devices that don't have the opportunity of running the Axeda agent, we can adapt that in the cloud. When those devices send their information to us in their proprietary protocol, we're translating in the cloud, and we call that a codec. At the end of the day, in both scenarios, the result is if you're an Axeda customer, an Axeda user, you buy one of these devices from our partners, you get a user guide from Axeda, quick start, how to use the Zergo tracker or the Multitech OCG, etc., with the Axeda system, and you're off and running.
Cool. So I get that. It's really kind of neat the way that you guys have, in effect, done the same kind of stuff we do with video transcoding now for the element management of these sensors.
It's encoding, decoding. The goal is it should work out of the box, and it accelerates the solution. We don't want our customers to be spending months figuring out how am I going to get some kind of agent on what kind of hardware. We want them to choose from a palette of pre-integrated devices and have enough scope and vertical coverage and enough use cases covered with that coverage so that they can just choose something out of the box, work with our preferred partner for that kind of device, and together will be a more successful and rapid solution.
So one more question. I'm assuming that you'd like to have a lot more vendors come and join you guys as well. So how do they find out more from you guys?
Oh, they can start with our website, ready.axeda.com. We have a dedicated product management and business development team that's on Axeda Ready. And as I mentioned earlier, we have a dedicated engineering team. From the time we talk to a partner to the time we release an Axeda Ready integration, roughly 2 months. We're on a 2-month release cycle. So if what you're looking for, if you're a customer and you're looking for a specific integration with a product you've already selected, talk to us, talk to our product manager, Mott Samuelson, our business development manager, David Canavan, or myself, Joe Byron. We'd be happy to help you. We'd get together with that partner. We'd forge a relationship and get an engineering program on track. In a couple of months, we could be off and running.
Great. Joe, thank you so much.
Thank you, Carl. Been a pleasure.